Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll be explaining how to crochet this bumblebee frock. This frock is for a girl of 2 to 3 years. I'm using the same yoke that I showed in my previous video tutorial. This is the same yoke. I have continued with the skirt part, and at the end I have given the edging to the arms and to the neck. So if you have missed out on watching the video tutorial on how to make this yoke, I'll leave the link in the description. You can come back and make the frock later. I have divided the stitches for the sleeves, front and for the back region. After 9 rounds of the yoke part, now the work has 162 stitches, and in those 162 stitches I will start to explain the stitch division from the back side. So for both the sides I have left 25 stitches here. This is 25 stitch and this is a set of 25 stitches, and for the sleeves these are 30 stitches on this side, also on this side 30 stitches, and after that in the middle, that is for the front region, you will have 52 stitches. Now we'll move to the skirt part of the frock. So I had finished with black color here. I will open this first stitch and I'll again insert the yellow color. Now once you have joined yellow color, start the next round by making a chain 1, turn and make single crochets till you reach the first marker. That is, first you have to make 25 double crochets. 1, 2, 24, 25. After making 25 stitches, make one more double crochet in the same stitch. Now make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, skip all these stitches for the sleeve and insert in the next marker and make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, both in the same stitch. Now this is the front region of the frock, and you will have 52 stitches here. 1 is already done, and continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch till you reach the next marker. 52. Now after 52 stitches, make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, skip all the stitches of the sleeve and join in the stitch where we had marked. Make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now you will be having 25 stitches here, so make 1 double crochet in all of those stitches. Once you complete making all the stitches, join to the other end to form a circle. Join with a slip stitch. I will be using black color to make the slip stitch. From this round we will be starting with our design pattern, and I am using 3.5 mm hook for that. Make a chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. Now yarn over, skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochets in the third stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here we are following a pattern of simple solid shells. After you have made 5 double crochets, skip 2 chains and make a single crochet in the third stitch. Yarn over, skip 2 chains, make 5 double crochet in the third stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 chains and make a single crochet in the third. This will continue for the entire round. It is very simple shell design, so you will be repeating the same. You will start with a single crochet, skip 2 stitches, make 5 double crochets in the third stitch, again skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet and repeat all over again. Skip 2, 5 double crochets, skip 2 and single crochet. Continue this for the entire round. At the end of first round, I will make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet of this round, and this completes the first round of design. Now to go to the second round, make slip stitches till you reach the third double crochet of the first shell. 1, 2, 3, and at the next slip stitch I will reach the central double crochet, that is the third double crochet, and I want to make that slip stitch with the yellow colored yarn like this. Now I have picked up the yellow color and I'll make my second round with yellow color. So chain 1, make a single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, make 5 double crochets on top of first single crochet of the first round. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now again skip the 3 stitches and make a single crochet on top of the third double crochet of the shell. Now skip 3 stitches, yarn over and make 5 double crochets in the single crochet of previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again skip 3 stitches and make a single crochet on top of third double crochet of the shell, and you will continue the same for the entire round. Now for the entire length of the skirt part, I will be repeating the same pattern, one design pattern with black color and one with yellow color. You will continue making this until you reach the total length of 21 or 20 inches for the frock, and you will measure that from the shoulders. From here you will be measuring up to 20 or 21 inches. My work measures 20 inches now from the shoulder till the last round of the shell design, and it took me about 41 rounds to complete this length. Now we'll start with the edging for the frock. I have joined the yellow color and I have already cut the black yarn. Now make a chain 1. I am doing this in the third stitch of the shell. Now yarn over, and you have to skip 2 stitches, and in the third stitch, which is the single crochet stitch of the previous round, make 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now make a single crochet on the third stitch of the previous shell. Continue, yarn over and make 10 double crochets again in the single crochet of the previous round. 1, and 10. Now again make a single crochet in the third stitch of previous shell, and the edging will continue in the similar way. You will start with a single crochet, make 10 double crochets in the single crochet of previous round, again make a single crochet on the third stitch of the previous shell, and again make 10 double crochets and continue making these bigger shells than the previous ones. Complete the round and make a slip stitch on top of first single crochet of this round. Once you finish making these shells, make a chain 1, leave 2 to 3 inches of tail to hide it later, and cut the yarn. Now we will make the same shell design for the arm also. For this circle, join anywhere from the back side I'll join it from here. Chain 1. Make single crochets for the underarm space. There are no stitches in particular here, but there is this space. There are the side parts of the double crochet stitches. So in that double crochet stitch you can make 2 single crochets and continue making single crochets until you reach the end of next double crochet stitch. We will make the shells only on the black part, not on the underarm part. So I'll continue making single crochets till I reach the other side. Now I will start making the shell design. I will skip 2 stitches and in the third stitch I will make 10 double crochets. 1 and 10. Skip 2 stitches. In the third stitch make a single crochet and continue making the shells in the similar way. Skip 2 stitches, 10 double crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches and a single crochet. Continue this until you reach the other side here, that is from where we started to make the single crochets. I have made my last stitch. Skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet. Now I will join with the slip stitch on top of first single crochet, that is the single crochet which we began without making shells. Slip stitch, chain 1, and I'll cut the yarn after leaving 2 to 3 inches to hide it inside. Now repeat the same procedure on the other part also, that is for the other arm also. Completed making the edging for both the arms. Now we will give edging for the neck. For that I am using 3 mm crochet hook now. Start from one of the end. I'll start from this end and join the yarn. Make a chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. Make one more single crochet in the next stitch. Make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch in the first chain that we made or in the 4th chain from the hook. Slip stitch. Now make 2 single crochets. 1, 2, now in the next single crochet we will make one more picot. Make a single crochet, chain 4 and join with the slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook. Make 2 single crochets. 1, 2, and in the 3rd single crochet we will make one more picot. Chain 4, slip stitch, and this will continue for the entire length of your work. I completed making the picots. Now this part we have to shape it, we have to trim it neatly, and also I want to place a button on this side, so I will make the chains required to hold that button. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 chains are enough to hold that button, and make a single crochet again. Let's see if this button fits here. Yeah, it passes easily, so 5 chains are enough. I will be making one single crochet across this length till I reach the point where I started making the picot stitches. So go on making one single crochets till you reach here. So once you complete, make a slip stitch and chain one. I have already cut the yarn. Now I will attach the button here. I will hide the ends and will attach this flower in the front, somewhere in the middle like this. Also I will insert this cord. In this last double crochet line, I'll be inserting this cord. This cord is very simple. I have just made chain stitches using both the colors. So I will complete these three works and I'll be back to show the final look of the frock. And my frock is ready now. I'll show you how it looks. I hope you enjoyed crocheting this bumblebee frock with me. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.